In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly manage your tabs using your Google Sheets mobile app. So when working on a spreadsheet using your Google Sheets app, here's how you can manage your tabs. So the first thing that we're going to do is to duplicate a tab. When you want to duplicate a tab, what you're going to do is to just tap on that tab right here. There we go. And that will be the first option that you will see. So if you tap on duplicate right here, there you have it. It has duplicated our tab. This is our copy, and this is the original. There you go. So let's try and do that again. If we were to make a duplicate of this duplicate, we're just going to tap on that tab again and select duplicate right here at the top. Now we have a copy of sheet 1. There you go. Next one, if we wanted to rename this so it doesn't have that type of name, if we were to tap on this tab first, tap on it again to see the options we have for that tab, we will see on the third row, rename. Tap on that, and now we can just enter the name that we want for the sheet or for this tab. Let's say we are going to name this tab number 2. Tap on OK, and there we go. So if we want to rename our sheet number 1 as well, just tap on it again, select rename, and put in the name of your tab. There you have it. For the last one, we're just going to rename that as well, rename. So make sure to tap those tabs twice for the options to appear. Tap on OK when you're done, and here we have tab number 1, tab number 2, and tab number 3. Let me just edit these. There we have it. So we have tab number 1, 2, and 3. Now let's say we want to reorder this, have tab number 3 at the beginning and tab number 1 at the end. So what we're going to do is just tap on it again, scroll up, and we have the option to move right. So if this tab were in the middle, we will have both options appear and not grayed out. So since we are the first tab, we can only move to the right. So if we tap on that, there we have it. Now we are in the middle. So if I tap on it again, you'll see that we have our move left option not grayed out. So if we were to move right again, just to make sure that this is at the end, there we have it. And for tab number 3, we're going to move this to the left. There you go. So we've completely rearranged our tabs. We have tab number 3 first, tab number 2 in the middle, and tab number 1 at the end. There we have it. And lastly, if you want to add some color or color code your tabs, what you're going to do is to tap on that tab again and select your tab color right here. So at the moment, there's no color applied to that tab. But if we tap on this, here we have the different colors that we can choose from. So if I were to color code this into this color right here, go back, and there we have it. We have that color for tab number 3. Let's do that for tab number 2. Again, go to tab color right here. Select your color. Let's have that in that color. Go back. And the last one, again, tap on it. Go to tab color, select your color, and here we have it. We have duplicated our tabs, renamed, rearranged, and color coded them. And if you want to delete a tab, what you're going to do is to just simply tap on that tab, select delete just under your duplicate, and here we have a warning message asking if we are sure that we want to delete this tab. And if you are sure, then just tap on OK. And there we have it. Now don't worry, when you are deleting your tabs, you can easily just undo that with your undo button here at the top. And there you have it. So that's how you can quickly manage your tabs right here in a Google Sheets mobile app. And before we end this video, if you do still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.